Hi Camilo, my name is Cristian Jose Uribe Lopez. I am 26 years old. I am from Facatativá, Cundinamarca. I am single. I am machine adjuster. I study industrial engineering. I like the gym and mountain bike. I am 4 years of experience as an machine adjuster and 5 years as a plant operator. I like engineering, machinery, and all job related to mechanics. My skill are communicate easily with people. My weakness is difficulty with English. My biggest achievement in life is studying industrial engineering. Holding a position as an area leader and studying my specialization. I want a better pay job. I want job for you because I will occupy the position of area engineer. My salary expectation to earn 3 million. Thank you, Camilo. Good morning.